Service and support is sometimes the unsung hero of all sales, and we need to start singing about these heroes. I got Andrew and John with me today, 2 generations bringing service and sales through Spinner to you. We're going to discuss the importance of that, but also the importance as Spinner continues to create this profound brand recognition, how much that means to the industry as a whole when it comes to creating trust. We'll start with John over here. John is a legend in the industry, been doing this quite a while. As we get over to Andrew in a bit, who's coming up and being educated by one of my favorite people, John. So John, let's talk about service and support. I'm sure in your time doing this that you bumped into a couple of sales guys that have appreciated you being there for them, as well as the companies that you've worked with.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, the sales guys just love me. But then, yeah, we're here for the customer. They love to see me.
I know they do. You and I have spoken about this before, just the seriousness of how our emotional roller coaster can be when we go up, say, come in on first shift and third shift and smash the machine and be like, hey, I found it like this. And we got to give you guys a call to fix it, right? They love seeing you, don't they?
Oh, yeah, yeah. So 9 times out of 10, we'll come in, we get to be their heroes.
Hey, I love when you sing to me as well that you can be my hero.
Be the hero. Yes, sir. Machine goes down, we're here to fix it.
I like that.
Get them back up in a timely manner. Make good friends when we do it too, yeah.
Andrew, I want to bring you into this because there is an aging generation of people that we're going to lose a lot of wisdom from in the near future. Mm-hmm. And when people are trying to sell manufacturing to the younger generation, flex schedules and the sexiness of manufacturing doesn't always exist. So we need people like you out there be trained to learn. So would you mind sharing some of your stories and experience about being on the service and side of things when it comes to this industry with Spinner?
When I'm going to the customers and their machines are down or struggling, and they see me come in there, they're happy with me fixing their problems, troubleshooting, and then leaving with their machine going and stuff like that. So I'm happy to see that, fix their problems, and then see the smile on their face when I'm leaving, that I know I did the job and they're running again. So, yeah.
Andrew, have you always been a tinkerer? Like playing with things and machines?
Oh, yeah.
And your entire life?
Yeah.
So, picture your teenage self. If there's a teenager out there right now and they're not sure what they want to do with their career, would you recommend it?
Oh, yeah. If they're hands-on, like to get into the machines physically and fix things mechanically, it's a good field to get into. Yeah.
John, when it comes to brand recognition and making sure that your customers trust you, how important do you think service and support is?
Oh, 100%. I mean, it's really easy to sell a machine. Most anybody can sell a machine or a vacuum cleaner or a car, but just think of the machine just like a car. If that first one, it's going to break down. They're made of nuts and bolts. You're going to have problems out of any machine, but can you get it fixed? And that's where your brand recognition and all that. That's where it works. And we're good at it. We keep them running.
Andrew, I'm going to slide over to you now as well. As you're a young man, John is a seasoned veteran. When you go into a shop, how important do you think it is that the customer trusts you when you go in there, that you walk out and they trust you and that you're there for them consistently to make sure that they're okay? Where do you think that resounds on the level of, I might help my sales guy make another sale? And how important is it to your clients?
It's good when they see me with my age going in there and the knowledge I know.
The importance of their being confident in you is you're working on something they've invested $500,000 in, or more, and they have to be confident that you're going to be able to get in and out and fix the darn thing.
Yeah, it's a great example of how important it is. And for everyone watching out there, we know the importance of service and support. Let's start cheering on these unsung heroes, from the legacies to the young folks coming in. And isn't it great when I can say young folks at 30? Andrew, how do you feel about being 30?
Feel great.
Yeah, he's a young folk. So we appreciate our service and support teams.
And we're looking for more techs. More and more techs. We're looking to train. It's a great opportunity. It's a great career. It doesn't take long to make 6 figures pretty quickly with this job.
I am so happy you brought that up.
Yeah.
You know, when I do my closing statement, sometimes it's profound, and sometimes people like John step in and say something even better. So we're ending it there. Thank you all for watching. If you're looking to be a service tech, Spinner is looking. You are important in this world of manufacturing, and we need more of you.